Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us see how to prepare corn vada. For this we need 2 corns. You have to separate the kernels like this. You can either use sweet corn or the maize. Now transfer this into a mixie jar and grind this coarsely. Don't add any water, add the required amount of salt. This is ready. It should not be like a paste and not too coarse. It has to be like this. Let us transfer this into another bowl. To this we need to add half a cup of chopped onions, a handful of chopped coriander leaves and few curry leaves chopped, and 1-inch piece ginger finely chopped, 1 or 2 green chilies finely chopped. Let us add everything. Chopped coriander, finely chopped ginger, finely chopped green chilies, and chopped onions. Mix everything together. Sprinkle little water and give a nice mix. Be careful, don't add excess water. The batter has to be easily holded like this. This is ready. Now let us make small balls out of this. Place it on your hand and flatten this. Now let us fry them in hot oil and in medium flame until it is golden brown. Turn them and cook properly on all the sides. This is ready now, we can take it out. Our corn vada is ready. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.